Papermate Flair. Look at the back. There's no bleeding. Game changer. Alrighty, I'm up here in my office now, getting stuff ready for my planner right there. But I also wanted to show you guys my new calendars. This is the one I'm gonna place in our kitchen cabinet. I don't know, I felt like all I had was choices of a grumpy cat, dogs. They had a muscle car. Not too many choices at CVS, but you know, I thought, why not do the beach? I can dream, right? So I thought that was really pretty. Or it's not pretty, I shouldn't say pretty, it's relaxing. There you go, relaxing. So this is going to be the calendar where I put everything that's going on so that Jay is aware. And then this is the calendar that Jay puts his own stuff in. And then for my office up here, I thought this was awesome. I really like this. It's Love the Journey. These were both only $7.99 at CVS. But it says love the journey. Grateful hearts, see many blessings, be still, and know. April is love the little things, love it. May is dream big and work hard. June is and the best is yet to be. July is stand tall, darling. Oh, I like that. That's cute. August is be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet. Oh, that is too cute. September, it's farm, sweet farm. Yeah, that's for sure. October is begin each day with a grateful heart. So true. November is thankful, and December is Merry Christmas. I love that, especially the pineapple one. I think that is so darling. So that's gonna go right in that spot there. Alright, so it's planner time. Here's my planner here. It's a happy planner. So I have next week, I want to get a jump start on. As you can see, I didn't really finish the rest of this week because I wasn't really sure. And I'm glad I didn't because Jay's days off kind of switched around for this week. So he's going to be off today and Friday and Saturday. So now I just I'm glad I got to know that. So now I just need to plan the rest of the end of this week, which is not bad at all. And then tonight we're going to do Jay's takeout. So he needs to tell me his choice so that I can give Queen G plenty of time to order, to figure out what she wants to order. I'm going to finish that here. I also had these inserts. I had bought these extra inserts a few years ago, and I haven't been very good about using them. One is called Brain Dump. The other is Be Productive. And then the last thing is All Things. So I think with the All Things, I'm going to place some of the stuff that I know that I need to look online and order. Be Productive, I think I'm going to use this just for around the house. And then this one here is going to be All Things. Okay, for the Brain Dump, you know what I need to do? I need to contact Home Depot for the external front door. I had one representative call me, and she never emailed me any of the estimates. So I need to figure out what is going on, and because I really want to replace our front door. It's just time. So this is something that I really need to do. Next thing, new living room furniture. There's lots of sales that are going on right now. I have coupons actually that came through the mail of all things, and I didn't even think about those stores that are around us. So I'm going to actually go online tonight, and hopefully Jay and I can come up with some finalized furniture. So I'm going to do with Jay. So I'm going to make these two a priority while he's home because we really need to get these going, because the door is going to take a couple of weeks, and same thing with the furniture. And then I have to call for a free bulk up pickup for from the garbage company. They'll come and then they'll take away your old furniture. So I need to do that. So those are the two things that I really need to do. Next thing I need to do is I need to take in the Denali tune-up. It's time to get an overhaul tune-up for our SUV, and that's going to be that's going to be some major money, which is fine. I put some away just for that, but we need to get that done. So I need to schedule an appointment for that. Some other things that I was thinking about doing too is I need to think about our garden for spring and summer, because I need to start thinking about like which type of flowers do I want to grow, which vegetables and fruits and so forth. So I really need to start thinking about that. That's been something that's been on my mind, so I need to get on the ball with that. Since we're going to have a bulk pickup for old furniture, we have my furniture set from our formal dining room, table, and hutch. I need to figure out, it's currently in my garage right now. I need to figure out how to get rid of that. It's just been in there now for, let's see, how long has my mom been with us? 5 years, 5+ years now. So I need to find a way to get that out. We don't really necessarily have like a huge truck that it would fit in. Jay was thinking about maybe renting a U-Haul truck just to get that out to, you know, Goodwill or whoever's gonna take it. But the thing is, because we're in shelter in place, they're not open, so I really don't know what to do. And we already unscrewed everything, and so it's separate pieces right now, so it can fit in the garage. I don't know if I should go and try to find an old picture of it and then post it like for free. I don't know what to do about that. So, like I said, brain dump. Okay, all things. These are the things that I need to think about purchasing if I'm online and so forth. So I need new bed pillows for our bed. I also need actually new bedding. It's just time, especially since we have the new mattress. So I need to get those two things there. And then another thing that I'd like to purchase is some bins, for organizing. So I need to take measurements. So maybe I'll have to go online at IKEA, Target, the Container Store. So that's something I might be doing sometime this month, but that's not a priority. But these, like I said, it's just like a brain dump. These are some of the things that I like to order. Okay, I also need some plant pots. I have different sizes, so again, I need to know their sizes and quantity. I've been having some of those plants in water that been propagating for quite some time, and it's all because I don't have pots. So I need to find something maybe on Amazon or whatever and get those in pots. So that's a good start for that. I'm going to have this in my planner, so I'm sure I'm going to be adding things on here, like if I need light bulbs or whatever, at least then I can just kind of mark them off as I go. Be productive. So let me work on this and I'll get right back. This is what I have for right now. I want to reorganize the pantry, update our inventory sheet, and list the items that we need. Then I need to also go into the garage and our storage area, where I usually put some overage on some of the pantry items in there, but I need to have Jay finish hanging up the shelves, a rack, and then I'd like to add a rug in there. I'd like to finish painting our guest room that I started like last summer. I need to find a nightstand in there and a luggage stand, so that would be a little bit easier for our house guests. Declutter. I'm going to be doing a decluttering collab in the month of February, so look forward to that. But these are some of the key items that I really need to get rid of. Lots of clothing, holiday decor, a lot of stuff in the attic, garage, and the kitchen, of course. But of course, there's going to be other things I'm going to be getting rid of, but these are my top 5. This is a new project that I really want to start this year. I would like to do a refresh in our master bedroom, so I want to paint the bedroom and the master bathroom, but I need to figure out what color. I'm not too sure I'm going to keep the same color or I'm going to do something different. And then of course, being productive, I just put down these are my daily chores that I normally do every day, and then these are my weekly, and then of course my monthly. And for my monthly, I put like blinds, shower curtains, if some needs to be replaced. I got 3 bathrooms, you guys, so and there's, of course, I don't really use our guest bathroom, but and then I like to also clean the windows and then wipe down all the cabinets in our kitchen. That's just something I like to do on a monthly basis, and then go through our pantry. So, all right, so that's a good start. Again, I'm going to place this in my planner. Oh yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button down below. Here, back to my planner. Okay, for the week, I just like to put something in here. And just for this week, I didn't really know what I wanted to focus on, so I just jotted some things down. So drink more water, take more steps using my Fitbit, film more, because I'm always doing things, but I don't grab my camera, so I need to be more conscious of grabbing my camera. I also want to relax more. I just really need to take some time for myself to relax. And then underneath there is, of course, this week I'm really getting into planning and organizing more of my thoughts, and that's why I wanted to share this video with you guys. It's a new year, and I really just want to brain dump everything and try to get my thoughts organized so I can plan better. Next thing, I just put in green here, water my plants, and then feed all of my plants there. All right, so this is my weekly spread. I use stickers, but I'm not like all completely in sticker and the theme. I really use this as a functional planner for myself. If you see my other videos, I have like the top section for caregiving with my mom. Usually the middle is about the house and appointments and so forth, and then at the bottom I usually like to leave it for YouTube or whatever else. And towards the end of the week, I'm always forever writing in pencil, just notes, and I might carry that on into the next following week there. So I just wanted to give you guys a glance of kind of what I've been working on, since it is the new part of the year. I'm trying to plan and organize, and this is just kind of a glimpse on how I do my planner. And of course I have to now add things into our calendar and my phone. I also want to share the pens that I found on Amazon. I'm using the Happy Planner, of course you guys know that. These pens by Papermate Flair Medium, a total game changer. I was looking at so many videos and just checking to see what pen is really good to use in the Happy Planner without bleeding. Check this out, you guys. All of that is pretty much the Papermate Flair. Look at the back. There's no bleeding. Game changer. I ordered this off of Amazon. It's a total of 12 of the 0.7 millimeter felt pens. I really like it. They have wonderful colors. And then I also ordered this one here, and it's called the Papermate Flair Retro, which is kind of cool. It has different colors there too, and it's 12 mediums, medium point, the 0.77 millimeters. I really like that size. I thought this was really nice, and I really want to share that with you guys. I'm going to leave the link down below. If you're like me and you were looking for a pen that doesn't bleed, I mean, that's like the worst. Now, I purchased the Artist Loft pins about, I would say about a year and a half ago, and I really like the color. I love the fact that you have the large felt on one end and then you have the fine felt on the other end. I really like them. They have beautiful colors. They just write really smoothly. However, they bleed. Look. They write really well. They don't smear, they don't smudge or anything. However, when you look on the other side of this, see, it bleeds. No bueno. The other pen that I found that works at the Happy Planner without the bleeding are these Sharpie pins. I also found at Michael's like 3 years ago. These are the fine pins. These seem to work really well. But I really wanted to try out the Papermate Flair in mediums, and I'm so glad I did. I love these pens. These are my new favorite pens. Again, I'm gonna leave the link to these pens down below in the description box if you want to try these out. I'm absolutely loving them. These are now my new favorite pens to use in my Happy Planner, for sure. Ooh, okay. Just finished with my caregiver duties. I gave my mom a really good sponge bath. We were listening to like Grease and I was all singing Hopelessly Devoted to her. And she was all la 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 la. She was all trying to like be a ballerina in the bed. It was cute. Anyways, so okay, got done with giving her a sponge bath. I have like all my facial masks. I gotta hang it back up behind me over there, and I have a bunch of her towels that are ready to be placed in her area as well. And I need to start another load of laundry because I have a little bit left over from a couple of days ago that I just didn't want to get to, but I guess I better get to now. Today is garbage day, so I gotta take out the garbage. I like to take out the garbage every single day, the trash in the kitchen. I don't like having anything from the day, like if there's any meat or food scraps, or I just can't. So I gotta take out the trash, my mom's garbage, everything else like that. So, I didn't want to like make this into a long vlog for you guys, but I hope you guys got something out of it. I hope you guys are still remaining safe and healthy, and I will see you on the next one.